Alright, what we have here today is a 52-inch antique brass Barcelona brand ceiling fan. Dating sometime, I would say, mid-1980s. 3-speed electrically reversible. Fan has oak blades with cane insert. Reversible to plain oak on the top. Blade pitch, I'd say roughly 12 degrees. The Barcelona Fan Company was a rather obscure company in the 80s. I don't think they lasted any time past the 80s when they phased out in terms of more popular brands. But yeah, they made just the typical stuff that you see in the 80s, huggers, wood housing fans, probably some GE vent fans, some spinners as well. I'm not sure who sold them. Not really a whole lot of information is available regarding this brand. The fan had a light kit on it when I got it. I removed it. It was a newer Harbor Breeze bronze 4-arm light. Didn't fit the fan at all. Yeah. There's not much else to say about it. Let's go ahead and see what she does. Fan uses a stamped steel. I want to say it's 153 millimeter motor. Probably 153 by 12 or so. 12 or 14. The motor looks like it's 172 millimeter in diameter, but it has an open side to it. It's not totally enclosed like a lot of these motors are. And kind of for ventilation purposes, so it kind of gives it the appearance that it's larger than what it actually is. Low speed here, about average. It's got a hum to it. Not really too serious. Medium. And high. Runs pretty well. We're probably doing around 190 RPM. I think the tag on the motor is rated that this fan does 210 RPMs on high speed. However, I think that may be a little exaggerated, or just the fact that the capacitor may not be performing as it should from age and wear. I don't think this fan would have done 210 from the start. And so that's all I got for this fan. So thanks for watching. Hope you enjoyed the video on this 52-inch antique brass Barcelona brand ceiling fan from the mid-1980s. So stay cool. Peace.